In the quiet solitude of your evening, allow the hypnotic, rhythmic thrum of heavy machinery to wash away the day's stress. We are not merely observing fabric, we are dissecting the complex soul of the world's most iconic garment. While many assume a pair of pants is simply sewn, the reality inside these colossal facilities is a high-stakes ballet of industrial chemistry and brute force. This is the definitive, unfiltered journey into the heart of elite denim manufacturing. We exist here to shatter the illusion of simplicity. Witness how lasers slice with surgical exactness and volatile indigo dyes demand absolute mastery, where a single millimeter of deviation means total failure. We will even uncover a secret abrasive technique that risks destroying the fabric just to create perfection. By the time the final steam hisses, you will never look at the seams of your own pockets the same way again. As the mechanical symphony begins, tell me, from which corner of the quiet world are you watching to find your peace tonight?
Morning. Delivery for the denim factory.
Yeah, I've got the rolls of fabric and the accessories manifest right here.
Okay, driver, easy left turn here, pull into bay 4.
Slow. Stop. All clear.
The selvage alignment looks perfect on this batch, Supervisor.
Excellent. Proceed with the intake process.
Shade A and shade B.
Defect 1, slub. Defect 2, streak.
We measure the warp and the weft separately to determine the exact percentage of shrinkage after the wash cycle. Quality check complete. 10 zippers, brass sliders, size 5, approved for sewing line.
Zone 3 is clear for delivery.
Roger that, Supervisor. Rolls are secure.
Batch 3, confirmed.
Shade group indigo, verified.
Relaxation is stable, minimal slippage. Looks good for spreading. Okay, batch 47B is cleared. Take it to cutting.
The waistband curvature looks good here.
Yes, the rise height matches the spec perfectly. Let's finalize the pattern.
Hip curve finalized. Looks accurate.
Check the inseam here. Make sure the gauge reads exactly 1 inch.
The density here is slightly off. We need exactly 8 stitches per inch for the bartack points.
Pattern package approved. Version lock engaged.
We need to adjust the yoke placement on the 32s. Move it closer to the waistband cutout there.
Twill angle verified. One way only.
The marker efficiency on this run is critical. We need to ensure the consumption figures match the target exactly. Cutting floor, confirm roll 42 is ready for layup.
Lay length set. End stop aligned. Carriage movement confirmed.
Verifying the e-stop is functional. And remember, always use the marked walkways. Ensure your PPE is secure at all times.
Edge aligned. Tension is correct. Edge aligned.
Same shade group confirmed.
$45, $46, $47, $48.
We need to ensure the film doesn't extend past the cutting path.
Batch 48 confirmed. Shade group 3 logged.
Marker centered.
Confirmation received. Proceeding with the cut.
The system performs the necessary notch cuts and drill holes, precisely marking the assembly points for the zipper and the yoke alignment.
Part 3B, size 32, indigo shade confirmed. Move to bundling station 4.
Confirmed. Next kit ready. Alignment looks good here.
Size run verification. Batch 7.
Confirmed. All sizes present.
The count is verified against the plan. We are clear for the next stage.
Hold piece.
Released.
Everything is checked. You can start the sub-assembly operations.
Align the pins precisely. Ensure the seam is tight. Then finish with the reinforcement stitch at the corners.
Alignment check on the indigo run.
Confirmed. The clips are holding steady. Tight and clean.
Symmetrical and clean, that's the signature pattern.
Consistent spacing and clean corners are essential for the next-gen line.
Ensure the feed is controlled to prevent stretching. We need that seam pressed immediately.
Step 77 complete.
All set on this one.
Yes, that lays perfectly flat. Good job.
The procedures you see are clean, will, and safe. There is no comment 1, no comment 2.
That's perfect, exactly right.
Panels aligned, fly zipper secured. Now feeding under the walking foot. Ensure the edges are parallel.
Match notch. Confirmed.
We're moving to the next pallet. Keep the pace steady, everyone.
Notches aligned. Running the chain stitch down to the hem.
Match center. Match the side seam points and secure the clips. Then, gently stretch the fabric to distribute the ease without creating puckers.
We need another bundle of waistbands over here.
Checked. Alignment is correct.
Loop position. Loop position.
Ensure all pieces sit flat and do not interfere with the zipper.
Length is within tolerance. Approved for hemming.
Check the stitching on the next batch. We need 75 done by noon.
That's good. Arch about me? Okay.
Alignment confirmed. Position secure. Ready for press. Cycle complete.
Loop 1, align. Loop 2, align. Loop 3, align. Loop 4, align. Rivet check pass.
Step 119. The final cleanup phase ensures a premium finish.
Rack released. Waistband 32. Hip width 40. Thigh 25. All measurements confirmed.
Straight.
Back pocket alignment, check. Mirror symmetry confirmed. Front curve consistent. Finalizing inspection.
Uneven tension here at the corner. And a skip stitch near the fly.
Smooth operation. Shield clear. Secure. Pass.
Defect noted, loose thread tail. Route to red rack immediately. Approved lot, green rack.
Fast.
Control, this is Supervisor. Batch 74 confirmed for rinse wash. Proceed with the cycle.
Load count confirmed, 50 units.
Wash program confirmed. Temperature set points checked. Starting cycle.
The pH is stable at 7.5. Enzymes are active and the temperature is holding steady.
Cycle 135 oxidation phase active. Dosing pumps engaged. Cycle time holding steady. Clear safe. Safe.
Shade consistent, softness approved. Ready for finishing.
Pass. Pass. Failed deviation rack.
The scraped zones here and on the pockets match the intensity. It aligns with the reference sample. We can move this forward. Apply the clapper here to set the seam.
As the relentless rhythm of the heavy machinery fades into silence, we are left with a profound respect for the invisible labor behind the visible comfort. We have seen that a simple pair of jeans is actually a masterpiece of engineering. Forged from raw cotton through hundreds of unforgiving steps. The true lesson here is that resilience and quality are never accidents. They are the result of absolute discipline and a refusal to cut corners. I hope these satisfying industrial harmonies have helped wash away the stress of your day. Cherish the hidden craftsmanship in your everyday life. And join us again for the next journey into the extraordinary.
Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel. And what production process would you like to see next?